Hey, you're trying to double up now, huh? Running two Roblox accounts at once, that's pro level stuff. Whether you're grinding your tycoon with one account and trolling with the other, or just testing multiplayer mechanics, I got you. Why you'd even want two Roblox accounts running? Game testing. Try multiplayer scripts without calling your friend at 3 a.m. Trading and AFK framing. One account farms, but the others or the other supervises. Alt account staff, right? Or alt account stuff. Excuse me. Spy on your own game or roleplay with two characters. Record both POVs for cinematic shots or tutorials. Whatever your motive, all valid, my friend. But Roblox doesn't natively support two sessions. So we go strategic. Option 1, you need two different Roblox accounts. So pretty obvious, but still, go to the roblox.com and sign in with your account and download Roblox from your App Store or Google Play and sign in with a different account or with your second account, right? Name it something cool, not player 123987. We're building a multiverse here, not a school login, right? Option 2, understand the Roblox's restriction. By default, Roblox only allows one session per device or browser. If you open second window and log into another account, it will kick the first one out. That's the default session token rule to prevent account hijacking and confusion. But we're smarter than that, right? And we can use multiple environments. Option 3, open Roblox in two different contexts. Here's how to pull it off. Log into account A in the Roblox desktop app, then open roblox.com in web browser, Chrome, Edge, Firefox, doesn't matter. Right? Log in with account B there, join the same game from both. Boom, you're in. Two windows, two accounts, one machine. If the browser asks to open the app, click cancel, then choose continue in browser. Right? You can also log into account A in Chrome, log into account B in app or different browser like Firefox, Edge, or Opera, right? Or Opera, yeah. Browsers store their own cookies and login tokens, so Roblox sees them as separate. Then join the same game, done, right? So important rules and warnings. Let's keep it clean, champ. Roblox's terms of use still apply. So don't use dual accounts to exploit bot or auto farm. Don't use alts for moderation, evasion, or scamming. Do use them for testing, roleplay, and content creation. Totally fine. Roblox isn't mad about multiple accounts, only about automated or deceptive use, right? So, you can totally play Roblox with two accounts at once. No hacks, no shady tools, no third-party apps, just browser trickery and a little brain power. It's like having two souls in one computer, or as I like to say, two players, one legend. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.